Splash. My name is Ahmed and I teach web scraping here on Udemy. So first of all, this is not a beginner-friendly course at all. So if you are not familiar with Scrapy, Splash, and XPath expressions, then this is not the right course for you. So please make sure at least you've done a couple of projects before using Scrapy and Splash, or at least you've taken my other beginner-friendly Scrapy course. Otherwise, you will be completely lost and you won't be able to catch anything. Alright, now let me walk you through on what you're gonna learn in this course. So right at the beginning, you will learn about the concept of request chaining, means how the requests must be sent in a certain order, otherwise you won't be able to get the data back. Next, I'm gonna walk you through how to bypass 504 HTTP errors in Splash. People who've used Splash before, we know that this is a common issue and it's sometimes hard to bypass. However, in this course, I'm gonna show you 3 workarounds, not only one, on how to bypass that error. You will learn how to optimize Splash scripts and how to set up a cluster of Splash instances with a load balancer. So all of these workarounds and techniques, you will learn about them in the first section of this course. Next, I'm gonna cover how to scrape websites that requires a lot of data processing and cleaning. We're gonna use item loaders and input and output processors to write clean, maintainable, and well-structured spiders. Next, I'm gonna show you guys how to build real-time spiders that fetches data in real time. This sounds cool, right? Then we're gonna go ahead and build a small web app using Scrapy RT and Flask to showcase all this scraped data. Not only that, we're gonna also try to mimic a browser to bypass Google reCAPTCHA. Don't get me wrong, we are not going to use Scrapy to solve Google reCAPTCHA, that's freaking impossible. Instead, we're gonna try to fool websites and give them the impression that all the requests were made using a real human being. Finally, I'm gonna show you how to use tkinter or tkinter to build desktop apps that can execute all the spiders you have in your Scrapy project. This comes handy if you are a web scraping freelancer. It's always a good idea to give your client a desktop app instead of you trying to explain to him how to execute spiders using the command prompt. Now, by the end of this course, you will be able to scrape websites with confidence and also learn some of the techniques I use to analyze a website before I even scrape it, so I can decide what are the right tools to use. So this was everything. If you still have some doubts, please check out the preview videos and read the description of this course. And I hope to see you guys enrolled. So ciao ciao.